Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be comparing bolt.new with Cursor and two websites which have been really popular lately. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'll start with bolt.new. It is a platform designed for fast and efficient online transactions. It offers solutions for digital payment and financial management. It uh, it offers a clean and minimal interface focusing on speed and simplicity in financial transactions. If you're looking to make quick online payments, Bolt New shines in terms of user friendliness. Now, it specializes in quick payments, invoicing, and secure transactions. It also integrates with a variety of e-commerce platforms, making it great for business looking to streamline payments. It offers a flexible pricing depending on your usage with options for both small businesses and also enterprise solutions. Now, it also has a free version of basic payment processing. Now, if we compare Bolt New with Cursor, so Cursor is basically a modern productivity tool designed to enhance team collaboration and project management with a focus on simplicity and efficiency. On It takes a more feature-rich approach. Its interface is sleek, while it offers more features. Some users find it a bit more complex than Bolt New. However, if you are someone who enjoys organizing tasks and collaborating, Cursor's interface feels very right at home. So, Cursor is packed with features that enhances team collaboration, including task management, real-time editing, and workflow automation. It's perfect for teams who need to manage projects, share files, and collaborate seamlessly. It also follows subscription-based models with a free plan for smaller things, but the paid plans offer advanced features for larger teams and organizations, making it a little bit pricier than Bolt New. As you can see, the basic plan is free, but you can go up to $40 for a business plan, and depending on the features, as you can see on the site, which is suitable for you. So, in a nutshell, I'll say if you're looking for a tool to streamline payments and financial management, then Bolt New is a better choice. But if you need a platform to enhance team collaboration, manage projects, and increase productivity, then Cursor will be more suited for you. With that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.